Determining spousal support or alimony can be a challenging aspect of concluding a divorce settlement. It involves a financial contribution from one spouse to the other aimed at guaranteeing that both parties can uphold a standard of living comparable to what they experienced during their marriage. The objective of spousal support is not to penalize one spouse or confer a benefit to the other. Rather, it is intended to address any imbalances that may arise from the termination of a marriage. Getting the help of an experienced Manhattan spousal support attorney can help in negotiating the amount of spousal support and modifying or enforcing an order, if necessary. The court may take into consideration if one spouse has contributed to the marriage through other ways, such as by managing household responsibilities or caring for children. By examining the specific circumstances of a couple's case, the court determines an appropriate duration and sum of spousal maintenance. Presently, in New York, there is a system in place to determine the presumptively correct sum for spousal maintenance or alimony. This eliminates much of the guesswork from the calculation. Typically, spousal support or spousal maintenance is not permanent, as the expectation is that the recipient spouse will eventually secure employment or acquire the education and training necessary to become financially self-sufficient. The requesting spouse must prove a need for short or long-term financial aid and a financial disparity between the parties. In New York, judges often use the following method to calculate maintenance. Deduct 20% of the requesting spouse's income from 30% of the other spouse's income. Multiply the total combined income of the spouses by 40% and subtract the requesting spouse's income. The lower figure from the two computations will determine the yearly maintenance award. The court may deviate and either increase or decrease the award based on the situation, but at least the calculation provides a rough idea of the sum. Other factors that influence the amount granted include whether there is also a child support award and if the payer's income exceeds $192,000. In the latter instance, the court may award additional alimony based on other factors such as the age and health of the parties, their existing and potential earnings, and the need for one spouse to incur education or training expenses. The court also determines the duration of the award using a formula based on time brackets and an estimated number of years. For marriages lasting between 15 and 20 years, maintenance may be given for a period between 30% and 40% of the total marriage length. For longer marriages, maintenance may be awarded for a period between 35% and 50% of the total marriage length. For instance, if a marriage lasted 30 years, maintenance could last anywhere from 10 to 15 years. Getting the skilled legal advice of an experienced Manhattan divorce attorney. Disputes over spousal support can prove to be a challenging and intricate procedure in certain circumstances. To safeguard your monetary stability, you'll require the assistance of an accomplished legal team. New York divorce attorney Richard Shum will not only provide direction and counsel but will also take the effort to comprehend your aspirations and objectives, enabling you to pursue your desired outcome. With our New York attorney's extensive knowledge in all aspects of family law, we have the capacity to analyze all relevant aspects of the marriage. Call the law office of Richard Shum today at 646-259-3416 to schedule a free consultation.